All right, so what do we got today? We got the Makita 10.8 drill. This is the FD02. So this drill, it's been around for a while. It's my girlfriend's drill. She uses it, loves it, but the battery, it's been going weak, not holding a charge, and it finally stopped charging. On the Makita charger, it shows the red and green. There's a picture at the bottom of the battery. Shows red and green, meaning there's an error with the battery, so it wouldn't charge. I was able to get away with charging it with a 12-volt charger. It was a variable, I'd do 9 to 12. Get the battery charged up and it would power the drill, but now it just falls flat on its face. I tested it with a multimeter. I would juice it, it would get up to 10.7, and then once the power's cut, it just dies. No charge at all. This is a BL1014 battery. I think it replaced the BL1013, or is it different? But try to get one online. Looked on Amazon, of course. $70 plus, of course. I think it's 75 maybe, plus shipping. Not shipping, plus tax. Amazon's free. eBay, same thing. They do not offer any cheap alternatives for the name brand batteries. So of course, had two options: pay that, or gamble. We're gonna do a little gambling and get this. It's the Powerextra brand replacement battery for the Makita. Gonna do a quick unboxing. I already took it out of the Amazon packaging or box because that's not fun to watch. This comes with a bubble wrap. Side by side, looks pretty similar. Now I don't know if this is charged already, but according to the back, it's a 10.8 volt, 3.6 amp hour, 38.8 WH. Now I looked what WH meant up the other day, but I totally forgot what it was, so I'm gonna have to look that up again. This one says 38.8. The Makita factory one says 14 WH, so I don't know if that's better or worse. But let's plug it in. So it does come charged. It's pretty good. We'll try it out. It had mixed reviews. It was 4 stars. Where's it at? There it is. Had mixed reviews. It was 4 stars. And of course, I read the bad ones, but a lot more good ones. There's 4 stars, some 5 stars. But I'll see how long it lasts. If it charges, then I'll make a follow-up video to see or give my final thoughts or final review on it. All right, thanks for watching. Quick video on giving the Makita FD02 10.8 volt cordless drill second lease on life, or second chance on life. We're gonna use it again and not just throw it in the dump. All right, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.